Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of AW Outdoors. Today we're going to be trying the Micro Creek Challenge. I'm going to be fishing with a little fly rod, and hopefully I can catch some big bluegills in a small creek. Here's my creek. Let's see what can happen now. Missed them. Number one, boys. Number one back. Here we go for number two. Number two, boys. Oh, he got it good. Number two. Gotta do a little excursion, get back to the good spot. Number three. Number trace. Number four. So today, guys, just another bluegill. Number five. There he goes. Quick release. Up, up, up. There you go. Let's try the back side of the log. Number six. Yeah, boys, we be catching them today. All I'm catching today is just some bluegills. Just small little bluegills. Creek bluegills. Could this be number 7? Could it be? Could it be? Nope. Could this one be number 7? Let's get a little casting. Number 7! We be catching them today. Oh, he choked it. These bluegills are so hungry in here, there's not too much food. You can tell the creek's not flowing too strong. This number 7. There he goes. There we go for number 8. Ooh, bad cast. Let's get up. Here it comes, here it comes. Number 8, boys. Number 8. Up, up, up. Come on, buddy. Go the right way. Here you go. That's a little chunkier one. And there he goes. I'm gonna be rocking the shades. Looking for number 9. Never mind on the shades. They just make it worse. Oh, where's number 9? Oh, where's number 9? Oh, where is number 9? Get a little shaky, shake, shake. Give a little pull. Oh, these fish are shutting down on me. I don't know. I came over here the other day and I caught a ton of them, so maybe they're just used to the fly. If any of you guys are expert fly fishermen, unlike me, comment down below what type of fly that is. 'Cause I don't know. I just bought it at Cabela's. Just small and catch little dink bluegills. Thank you, Mr. Airplane, for the great audio. There we go. Number 9. Come on. Oh, missed one. Oh, missed him. How in the world? Here he comes. I got him this time. I got him. He's got no hope. No hope. Boom! That's number 9. Come on, crazy. That's what you get, crazy. Quick release. Bye-bye. See if I can catch some of his buddies. I see him. Can we get number 10? Numero 10. He missed it. He missed it. Here he comes. Here he comes. What? That was a giant. Giant, 3 inches. I mean, for this crick, 3 inches is a giant. Dude, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Off to see the wizard. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. If you're wondering, there's a pond over there. This creek flows into the pond and it flows out of the pond. I'll fish the bottom side later. See if this spot's any juicy. Ooh, creek's pretty muddy. Maybe that's why the fish aren't biting. Oh, here it comes. Boom! It's a giant. Oh, big fish, big fish. Giant. He's a giant. How am I supposed to land this thing? Big land, big land. Come on, come on, come on. Whoop! Look at this giant, guys. This is a true Boone and Crockett bluegill. Boone and Crockett's what I gotta say. Bye-bye. Oof, that was a little rough. Sorry, Mr. Bluegill. Run, Forrest, run! I don't know about my audio, guys, but with all these cars coming by, let's see if we can catch some. Oh, missed one. First cast. Boom! Giant! Giant! It's a giant! Look at this absolute brute. Come on.